Hello everyone, this is a June 13 question, paper 1-1, and the question number is 35. It's concerned with the chapter group 2. To be specific, it's concerned with the uses of group 2 compounds. The question reads, solids W, X, Y and Z are compound of two different group 2 metals. Some of their applications are described below. Compound Z is used as a refractory lining material in kilns. Compound X is used as a building material. It can also be heated in kiln to form compound Y, which means thermal decomposition of X. When Y is hydrated, it forms compound Z, which is used agriculturally to treat soils. Now the first step should be to deduce what the compounds W, X, Y and Z are. Compound W is used as refractory lining material. That means from the uses of group 2, you have to recall that this compound fits exact definition of magnesium oxide. So W should be magnesium oxide, and X is used as building material. Group 2 compounds which we use as building material are carbonates. And now X could be any of the carbonate. Reading further information, it can also be heated to form compound Y. When Y is hydrated, it forms compound Z, and compound Z is used agriculturally to treat soils. The compound which we use agriculturally to treat soils from group 2 is calcium hydroxide. So Z should be calcium hydroxide, and that means X, Y and Z are calcium compounds. As mentioned earlier, compound X is carbonate, so X should be calcium carbonate. And when we heat X in a kiln, the thermal decomposition of calcium carbonate gives us calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. So compound Y should be calcium oxide. Now, which statements about these compounds are correct? More acid is neutralized by 1 gram of W than by 1 gram of X. W is magnesium oxide and X is calcium carbonate. Neutralization reaction means reaction between acid and base to form salt and water. Now, for the base neutralization with acid, we need to have base as another reactant for the base neutralization, but even though calcium carbonate undergoes neutralization to some extent, it cannot go to that level magnesium oxide does. So option statement 1 is correct. Statement 2 is the metallic element in W. The metallic element W is magnesium. Magnesium reacts with water more quickly than the metallic element in Y. This means magnesium reacts more quickly than calcium with water. This statement is incorrect because looking at the trend in group 2 compounds, group 2 elements with water, magnesium forms bubbles very slowly with hydrogen gas, and calcium forms to a faster extent. The reactivity increases with water down group 2. So statement 2 is incorrect. Statement 3 is adding Z to a soil decreases the pH of soil. Decreasing pH of soil means making the soil more acidic, and calcium hydroxide is base, and adding base to soil means soil has some acidic, very little acidic character. So when we add base to acid, the pH should decrease. The pH should move somewhere around 7. The pH does not decrease. So option 3, statement 3 is also incorrect. This means statement 1 is only correct, which makes D the correct answer.